Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of the automotive industry. It is a Japanese automotive brand founded in 1870. Initially, it was a shipping company, but it diversified into various industries, including automotive. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi, Mit, Su, Bi, Shi. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi has diverse range of vehicles, including compact cars, SUVs, and trucks. It is also known for its expertise in four-wheel drive technology and its strong presence in rally racing, particularly with the Lancer Evolution series. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Mitsubishi, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.